33 miles an hour. Alright, Mr. Banggood 4S 45C 3800 LiPo, brand new, in the boat. Brand spanking new. Waste of money on that battery right there for this boat, because I thought my 5000s were too heavy. But looks like you guys are selling a boat that will not do what it's advertised at. I'd never bought the thing. I'd bought a FTO 11. I wanted something to do 30 mile an hour with a self-riding, but live and learn. Alright guys, if you want a boat that'll do 30 miles an hour, 35 if you buy the highest priced batteries in the country, put in it, it will do 35 miles an hour. Put a Relentless 2 3-blade prop on it, sharpen and balance, and it'll do 37 mile an hour. But the way it comes from the factory, it'll do 32, 33 mile an hour. I've adjusted the strut every which way but loose, got it really jacked up this round, and you guys see the speed. It's not a boat that's going to do 40, 45, 50 miles an hour with better power batteries, as Banggood says, because I think I know just a hair about batteries, and the batteries I've been running in this thing are top notch. 60 mile an hour in a UL 19 stock on 4S. I'm sorry, 59 on 5S. 4S was 52 to 55 miles an hour, depending on what prop. Same batteries. All right, that's about all I got to say about this. And if you do see it again, it'll have a blue can right there that says dynamite on it. It won't be that. Thanks guys.